Next is type of RAM. There are different types of RAM as there also. Well, on depending on their capacity of storing and processing speed, they are categorized into 4 types. The first is DRAM, or it is called dynamic RAM. RAM means random access memory. DRAM, dynamic random access memory, it is it also stored data. As you know, in RAM the data stored is for temporary. It is a type of RAM. So here the data are also stored temporarily. As you close the program or the computer using a switched off or power supply goes up, then the data stored here is lost. Okay, so it is a dynamic RAM. Second one is SRAM, or it is static RAM or random access memory. Static RAM, random access memory. Okay, here also data is lost. It is as compared to DRAM, SRAM it is faster and costly also. It is faster as compared to DRAM. It is faster and also it is expensive. It is faster and expensive means थोड़ा ज़्यादा रेट पड़ता है इसका और ज़्यादा स्पीड है. फास्टर ज़्यादा अच्छा से काम करता है. एक्सपेंसिव एज कम्पेयर टू DRAM. ओके, DRAM से ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ये रहता है. थर्ड वन इज SDRAM. Third one is SDRAM. SDRAM, the full form is synchronous dynamic RAM. RAM means random access memory. Synchronous dynamic. Okay, synchronous dynamic. Here also you can, the large amount of data it can store, amount of data is processed at very high speed. Okay, here it process data at a high speed, process data at a high speed as compared to SRAM and DRAM. Okay, it improves the efficiency of a computer. It improves the efficiency of a computer, SDRAM. So if you are using SDRAM in your computer, then your computer is faster than that of by using SRAM and DRAM. Okay, so these are the main RAMs. One more thing is there, DDR, double data memory. DDR, it is double data rate memory. Double data rate memory. Okay, fourth one is this. It is also majorly used in computer system, just like your Pentium 4 it is used, and it requires less power and has speed which double than that of the SDRAM. Its speed is its speed is double that of SDRAM. Double that of SDRAM. Okay, so these are the different types of RAM you are using in your computer: DRAM, SRAM, SDRAM and DDR. Okay. Okay, the next is primary memory or internal memory is ROM, or it is called read only memory. As the name, it is read only, that once you write in this memory, it is not removed, cannot be modified, only we can read it, only we can read it. जैसे मैं एक जगह अगर कुछ लिख देता हूँ तो whatever I writing here is being permanent. It was being permanent. I cannot erase it. I cannot erase it. That type of memory it is. Okay. Okay. And the memory from which the information you are stored here can only be read. Okay, the data or information stored here okay, the data and information stored here can only be read, and it is can only be read. We cannot write again in this memory. Once we write there, we cannot overwrite here. Okay, and also we cannot erase or remove it, the data from the memory. It is also known as non-volatile memory, because the data stored here cannot be erased. Okay, whatever you do with that, the data are as it is. Okay. Okay, the different types of ROM here are PROM, programmable read only memory. It is programmable ROM. Okay, EPROM, electrically programmable. Electrically programmable, sorry, it is erasable programmable, erasable programmable.